Chris Freightman, I am welcoming you with open arms, as not only people think you're a new Cars 3 character, but also Mattel thinks you're a new character from Cars on the Road. I mean, sure. While we did get a preview of him in the Cars 3 Meet the Cars book, actually that was Herb Kerbler, my mistake, but still. Does it even matter if he's Herb Kerbler or not? I mean, like, come on. He looks identical to Herb Kerbler, just without the decals on him. I would never think that he would be a character from Cars on the Road. Not in a million years. But hey, guess he is. So, is he from Cars on the Road, or is he from Cars 3? Maybe he was briefly seen in the rescue scene where Lightning McQueen crashed. I mean, you have your say on where he appeared. And I have my say. It's fair, isn't it? If you're not going to let others have your say, then get out of here. No, I'm just kidding. But honestly, though, Chris Freightman is a great guy. As he is a part of 2024 Singles Case G, along with Tony Motorfelt, who I reviewed last time. If you'd like to see the review of him, you can definitely check that out. So, is he really from Cars 3? Let's find out. Actually, it kind of reminds me of the tow truck from Cars 3, Herb Kerbler. So let's take a look at his packaging. So, you got his card art there. Chris Freightman, new for 2024. When is the next case going to come out with, like... I mean, when is the next case going to hit the U.S. with, like, Jessica Carville, GRC McQueen, GRC Francesco, and the 2-packs, the new 2-packs. Get your act together, Mattel. We want more stuff. But anyways. It's about to be opened up. Jeez. I wasn't intending on opening it like that, but okay. On the back here, we get As Seen in Cars on the Road. I mean, sure, he kind of appears in there. But then again, he reminds me of the Cars 3 tow truck, Herb Kerbler. Here we got Ghost Tractor, Deputy Hazard McQueen with Slime, President Mater, Quadratorkasaur, Space Creature Lightning McQueen, and Cave Mater. All of which I've reviewed before. If you'd like to go check those out, they'll be on my channel. Alright, so we'll get Chris Freightman on out of there. Well, there he is. He looks pretty cool, if I do say so myself. Now, of course, you know where he appeared in the Cars on the Road episode, Trucks. But like I said, he kind of appeared in that episode. But he is also in Cars 3. Or at least his counterpart for Cars 3, being Herb Kerbler. Yeah, I've got a lot of beef with this guy. I really do. He probably appeared in the wreckage scene for Cars 3 when Lightning McQueen crashed, like I said before. But anyways, let's take a look at him. So, you've got his hazel brown eyes right there. his grill, his headlights with some dirt and dust or whatever, or rust. Got his smile right there. His sides, they have nothing on them at all except for some dirt. Does this even move out? I want to know. Anyways, got this little weird box thing. Got some tires right there. I don't know if it's for the winch or whatever. His little back turn signal. His back here with the stripes, with the warning stripes. Or kind of the stripes you see on a barbershop is what it reminds me of. Hey, what do you know? It can come out. That's awesome that you can remove it. Although I don't think it was intentional, I don't think. That's still pretty damn cool. It can move down there, this little ramp thing. Got some hooks and stuff. And his back lights as well. Got some little lights on there as well. That's cool that you can remove it, you know? That's awesome. Maybe I'll get an extra one of these to make it to the Cars 3 tow truck. Got this string right here, this chain. You can bend it a bit, but it's not removable, unfortunately. I don't think it is. Got a red light right there. And right there, too. Got his warning lights, or his caution lights. Got some more dirt and dust right there. Overall, just a nice yellow tow truck. Nice banana yellow tow truck, rather. T07A, the 7th week of 2024. Made in Thailand, of course, as well. Got some screws holding him in. Pretty nice. This part is, these two parts are metal. Well, the towing portion here is plastic. Pretty nice, you know? Pretty nice. Alright, so we'll just quickly compare him to Adam Rodriguez and Race Tow Truck Tom. Then we'll conclude the video here. Their fronts are similar, him and Adam's. I don't know. Should I keep it on my Cars 3 shelf or not? I'm not sure. Or should I keep it on the Cars on the Road shelf? Maybe, maybe not. I mean, he does look similar to the Cars 3 members, don't get me wrong. But he appears in Cars on the Road, doesn't he? Yep. We got Race Tow Truck Tom as well. Which is your favorite? Chris Freightman or Race Tow Truck Tom? I'm going with Race Tow Truck Tom because he is such a classic, in my opinion. Such a classic one. Alright, so that is going to be pretty much it for Mr. Chris Freightman here. Let me all know what you think of him down in the comments. If you think he appears in Cars on the Road or in Cars 3. I'll go for Cars 3, but he appears in Cars on the Road, doesn't he? Yeah, I already went over that. But anyways, guys, that pretty much wraps it up for this video. I shall see you guys on the next one with the Thailand and China comparison of Cars 1 Pachi Wipeout. I will see you guys then. Goodbye. Thanks for watching. And as always, peace. Come on, Lightning. Let's get you out of here.